Hey Python coders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be learning how to create a hexagon using the Python Turtle library. For most of the videos, you can refer to Learn Python series. Let's get started. So very first thing is to import the Turtle library as T, and then we will create one line. So T dot forward, let's say 100 pixels. So we need to create a hexagon with 100 as its size. Okay, and at the last we need to write main loop, otherwise that screen disappears. Okay, so let us run this, and you can see a line is created. Now suppose a hexagon. We know hexagon is a polygon with 6 sides. So the exterior angle is 60. Why is it so? Because the sum of all exterior angles in a polygon is 360. So if there are 6 sides, this means 360 divided by 6 is equal to 60. When it is a regular hexagon, that is all the sides are same and that means all the angles are same. So in that respect, the exterior angle will be 60 degrees. So this means we need to rotate it by 60 degrees either right or left. So it's up to us whether to make the hexagon below this line or above this line. So let us try this first above. So we will rotate it by 60 degrees. And now what we'll be doing is we'll just write forward 100, and now you can see a line is created. It is rotated by 60 degrees towards left, and then again it moves forward. Okay, so it means two sides of the hexagon is found. Now we need to do it 6 times. So why not use the for loop? So first let us write for I in range 6, and now we'll see if this program is correct or not. We need to make 100 pixel size hexagon. So let us see if it does or not. So you can see a hexagon is created, but the problem is the side is of 200 pixels and not of 100 pixels. But we need it of 100 pixels, and why it happens so? It is because it for I to be 1, so it will move forward by 100, then it will rotate, and then it will move forward by 100, and then when I is 2, it will come again to this line, and so it will move forward by 100 like this. So uh, like this. So it means that 200 pixel size has been formed. For that, either we need to comment this or this. So let us see. And now a hexagon is formed with required dimensions. So instead of this, if we comment this and run the program again, then you can see it is formed again. Now you can even form this by writing right. So if we write right, so you can see the difference now. The hexagon is formed below this line. Whether for uh, left or right, the hexagon is formed. Just the difference is it will form below or above the line which we made at the first. If you want to fill this hexagon with a particular color or change the width or the color of the side, then you can refer to another video of creating a triangle using Python Turtle. In that I have told the commands or the functions to be used to do so. That was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel for more such videos. Happy coding!